ideaForge is saying that it has a drone taking off every 2 minutes on average now, and it has used that operational tempo to cross 1 million customer flights. And the company's own numbers this quarter tell, well, a little more of a complicated story. It has a revenue of 68.6 crore rupees. The EBITDA is positive at 4.3 crore rupees, but there was still a net loss of, well, 2.6 crore rupees. What I'm going to now tell you before I get into the details of this particular story, there are no losses here. It's only a win-win. That's because Cypher, India's biggest AI summit and expo, is back in its 10th edition. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, which makes it bigger than ever. It shall take place in October of this year. The venue is KTPO, Bengaluru. And I know that you're very serious about your AI and tech, which means that you shall be at IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026. And now for ideaForge. 1 million customer flights across different terrains and conditions. Now, the company says it's already executed more than 20% of its opening fiscal year 27 order book. It flagged global supply chain disruptions and component shortages as continuing to affect deliveries. Now, even while staying on track to finish that order book by the third quarter. During the quarter, it also secured DGCA type certification for its Q6V2 GEO UAV. Yes, ideaForge raised 500 crore rupees through a qualified institutional placement. They also separately received a government letter of intent for up to 151 crore rupees under the Research, Development and Innovation Scheme earmarked for its Yeti logistics platform. CEO Ankit Mehta said the company entered fiscal year 27 with an order book of more than 300 crore rupees, and he's explicitly betting on combat drone capabilities as the next growth line. Now, there are also air-launched effects and fuel hybrid long-endurance work for its Zolt platform, plus long-range strike platforms and loitering munitions. Mehta also pointed to new rules raising procurement limits for field commanders and nearly 20,000 crore rupees in fast-track defense procurement opportunities, one already at the request for a proposal stage, which of course then I propose to you the front page take. Now, what stands out is the gap between the operational story and the financial one. 1 million flights and a drone launching every 2 minutes is a generally strong usage signal for sure. But the company is still posting a net loss even as EBITDA turns positive. It's raising fresh equity and leaning on government grants to fund what comes next. And of course, what comes next is squarely combat and defense drone technology lining up with a wave of defense procurement reform. So then, that brings us to the question which I would like to ask all of you. Is ideaForge's shift toward loitering munitions and strike platforms a natural evolution built on flight-proven technology, or a company redirecting toward wherever India's defense procurement money is starting to flow? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This is in General's front page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.